Hi everyone, this is week 16 and actually at this point you should be starting your final project. I have given you choices, so I want to go over that in today's video. If you look at the calendar section or upcoming in your class, you'll notice that there are 3 different planning assignments due on Wednesday this week, and then 1 storytelling due Friday, and 3 different game assignments then due on the 17th. And the reason is because I've given you choices. So when you go into Unit 5, which should be open for you now, you'll notice there's a Pac-Man challenge, a Frogger challenge, and an original game challenge. You need to choose one of those to complete for your final project. And I think I have them listed in degree of difficulty. I believe the first 2 are probably a little bit easier, and Pac-Man a little bit easier than Frogger, and then an original game would be more difficult. You may choose whichever one you feel will make you most successful. In each one, they're all set up fairly similar. Again, there are no assets for me to give you, so you would have to create all of yours. That's why it's a challenge in any of these. The only difference as far as setup goes is in the original game challenge there's a storytelling piece that isn't in these other 2 because those games are already out there. You're trying to emulate them. Final project playtest. This will be going on the week after the game is due, so between May 17th and the 24th, I would like everyone to post their games to this board so that others can play test them. And then Friday, May 24th, a final assessment. This is kind of like a rubric where you grade yourself is due. So that's where you're going this week. If you have questions, I'll be online Tuesday at 3:30. I would say at this point you shouldn't be turning in any games that don't work. All of the games out of the Game Maker's Apprentice work if you follow the book, and I'm sorry, but it does have to be exactly. So you can go back and redo those if they're not working and turn them in for a higher grade. And then some of these, like the Pac-Man, could be sort of like the Koala Brate one because it's a maze game. So you would have some of the skills that you need there to put that game together. All right, anyway, I'll be online Tuesday if you find you need help.